One sunny afternoon, Maria was in her room. Max, her little brown puppy, followed her. He loved to stay close to Maria. Maria had a big mirror in her room. The mirror was shiny and tall. Max walked near the mirror. Suddenly, Max stopped. He saw something. Woof! Woof! Max barked. He jumped back, his little tail wagging fast. Maria turned to look. "What's wrong, Max?" she asked. Max walked slowly to the mirror again. He looked at the shiny glass. Inside, he saw another puppy. Woof! Woof! Max barked louder. Maria laughed. "Max, that's your shadow," she said. Max tilted his head. He didn't understand. He barked again and tried to sniff the mirror. Max jumped and wagged his tail. The other puppy jumped too. Max barked again. "Look, Max," Maria said, pointing at the mirror. "That is you. It's your reflection." Max looked at Maria. Then he looked back at the mirror. He slowly wagged his tail. "You are so funny, Max," Maria said with a big smile. She picked him up and gave him a hug. From that day, Max always liked looking at the mirror. Sometimes he barked. Sometimes he wagged his tail. And sometimes he just sat and stared at his reflection. Maria loved her playful little puppy. And Max loved Maria, even when he didn't understand mirrors.
Maria skipped through fields of green. Her puppy Max was chasing dreams. They laughed and danced under the sun. Every day was filled with